This is my teddy bear, trash can, my family picture, and slime, object plan, there, and this is my wardrobe. This is my clothes. It's so many clothes. My picture in here. They have a picture of me, my bag, and this electric fan, and this is so squishy. This is my top of squishies. So I'm not organized. So sorry. Some real characters. Ball. Hattie. Blind bag. And this is my wall. This is a capybara. So long. This. So cute. This is my apartment. This, and I sleep here. This is my apartment. So this is for the baby, and this is for the grown-ups. And there is an angel. Whiskey. Yes. And this is my this. This is my marker. Just many things I have. To try the scoops I wanted. This is my perfume. Cook perfume. Alcohol, grease, stick, boba, brush. Bigay sa akin niyan yung kapatid ni Riley. So that is my this. This is so cute. And under here, there's an alcohol here. It's almost full. Red falcons. I like. This is. There have no. So this is my rooms are upset. I'm so really upset. Oh. So I have so many markers and pangkulay and pencil. Wait up. I have more here. This is my Taba squishies. Oh, squishies. So I think I have more. Hello. Sawati means hello. This is squishy too. So I'm done. So my favorite part is this wall. So bye bye. So bye bye. So I'm gonna go back into the dress. Dada's house. So bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's beans. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. I forget to show flowers. Bye-bye.